face.
Oh, holy crap. My foot's not in this stirrup. I can't get it in. Ah.
She's like totally creeped out and scared.
Don't trot with me. Don't trot with me. Let go.
She would fall off if Rebecca started trotting.
Yes, she would.
It would be a hot mess.
It would be a terrible mess. Becca, only walk.
Don't trot with me. Ah.
Don't trot.
I know. Oh my gosh, I'm really scared.
You should see her face.
I can't wait to show Josh this video.
Well, then get off. You don't have to stay on.
Let me get off. Let me get off.
Okay, put that stirrup in this one, and then swing your leg over this way.
No,
My other way.
backwards.
Backwards.
Oh, booby show.